My name is Rohit Sharma. Friends, I want to ask you a very simple question. And this question, although the question is very simple, but if we talk about the answer of this question, we get confused. The question is, why do we need English? Many of you will say that English is a global language, English is a language of business, English is spoken worldwide. That's true. In India, many of us learn English just to show that yes, we can speak this foreign language. But honestly speaking, friends, all the languages have their own importance and same applies on English. English, no doubt, English is not a knowledge, it's just a language. But you cannot get any knowledge without this language. I am not saying that English is the only language which is the most powerful language. There are many languages, but it is the only language which connects us with the entire world. Friends, those who are preparing for competitive exams, they must be knowing that spoken English is always easier than the language which is written. Isn't it? Yes. In competitive exams, they do not check your spoken English, how fluent you are, which type of accent you are using, whether you are using British language, American language, or regional language, regional touched language. In competitive exams, whether you talk about maths, science, SST, psychology, they just try to check your basic knowledge. And what do you mean by basic? Basic knowledge means they want to know that are you capable to form your own language in your own thoughts. So that's why they check in competitive exam, they mostly try to check our basic knowledge. But I have to tell you, honestly speaking, that basic knowledge of English is always tougher than the advanced knowledge of English. Because we do not know. If you ask somebody who is speaking English, very fluent English, if you ask what is called adverb, where is conjunction, what is called gerund, he will just say, no, I don't know, but I can speak. But in competitive exams, any type of exam, whether you are preparing for bank PO, whether you are preparing for SSC, whether you are preparing for CGL, any type of exam like CTAT, STAT, STAT, and many other exams are there. If you want to pass those exams, you should know the basic language of the basic knowledge of English. They will ask you very simple things, but with a lot of tricks. So I will be teaching you, I will be trying to make you understand how the simple things are checked, how the logical answers are given in competitive exams, and the things, the questions which look so simple, but in real they are not simple, they are very, very tricky, and you should know how to give the answers of those tricky questions. Till then, keep watching my videos and keep criticizing but keep supporting. Thank you.